Hey guys, today we are in a 2018 Audi S4. This has the 8-speed automatic and the turbo V6. Pretty nice car. As usual, I'm a big fan of Audis. They're doing good things. This 4 is no exception. Let's take a look around this car even though it just started snowing. I've got it all cleaned up. This red looks fantastic. We've got slightly smaller wheels on here, fitted with winter tires for just a little bit extra grip. These S4s are getting just a little bit more understated, and I kind of like it. Nice decent trunk space, rear seats fold down with a lot of room in there vertically. This has active exhaust. Back seats are a little bit tight, but not too bad. They're doable. It's actually pretty comfortable back here. These cup holders are kind of cool. You just kind of flip them out here. They fold in. Nice looking interior. I love what Audi has been doing with their interiors. The contrast between Alcantara and brushed aluminum and metal surfacing and plastics. Everything feels very nice and premium, and it's comfortable in here. It's just a great looking interior, and everything, all the touch points feel very nice and premium as well. It's been a little while since I've been in an S4, but as always, they seem to impress. They're just really nice, smooth driving, fast, nicely performing sports sedans. You can't really go wrong in an Audi S4, especially if you live in a place with a little bit of snow. We were out ice racing earlier this year, and we came with a bunch of guys in S4s, and they were really putting their Quattro all-wheel drive systems to work. Right now I have this car set to individual mode, which is kind of all my favorite settings. Engine and transmission are in auto. Steering is in automatic. Ride quality is in comfort. And the exhaust is set to loud. Let's talk a little bit about this 8-speed automatic transmission. It's good. I think at first glance, most people would struggle to tell the difference between this and a dual clutch. The differences that I'm noticing right off the bat are that it's just, think dual clutch, but just a little bit smoother, a little bit more, less jerky, a little bit more, I guess it feels like an automatic, but just a lot faster and cleaner and smoother. It's a good transmission. There's a little bit of lag when you tip into the throttle. Need some time to downshift, a little bit of turbo lag. Turbo needs to spool up, but it's pretty good. It responds relatively quickly to paddle inputs, and upshifts are bang on fast. You can really hustle this car. You get a nice little from exhausts, from upshifts there. You get a nice little burble, as I used to call them, DSG farts, but that's no longer the case here. Come on. This 3-liter turbo V6 sounds really good. Throw it into manual here. here on downshifts there, you can hear just a little bit of slush box lag. As always, really comfortable on the highway, really nice premium feel on this car. The steering wheel is fantastic. I love the shape of it. Driving position is nice and low. I can get right down into the car, almost a little bit too low. And the wheel just comes right up into my chest. It's great. Let's throw it into sport mode there. And maybe even just put the whole car in dynamic. Why not? We are on winter tires today. But this S4 does have quite a bit of grip. Nice firm brake pedal. This is one of those cars that just does everything well. You hear that beeping, and I guess that's parking assist, or it's telling me that I'm a little bit too close to the car in front. I'm not sure. Just a little bit of rotation, and of course you hear those tires just squealing away. They are not happy. One thing I noticed that I'm not sure was there before in this whole dash display is you get a little bit of a boost gauge in the bottom right corner, which is kind of cool. Nice looking Toyota Tundra there being pulled over. The sound of that V6 is addictive, I will say. One note, I really like the look of these mirrors. I think it's just a cool, you have that classic Audi S metallic finish over the mirror cap, and then of course you've got a blind spot indicator there that lights up when there's a car in your blind spot. Really quick steering ratio here at low speeds. A car like this S4 just kind of does it all, and it does it all pretty well. Wonder if it has launch control still. Yes, it does. It hauls. Wow. Feel a little bit of rear limited slip differential kicking in there as it kicked the car sideways. I don't know what that was. A patch of ice or snow or something. That was exciting though. It really hauls, and when you put it into sport mode and you feel those shifts, it only does this at launch control, but it really gives you a kick in the back, and that felt quick. That felt really quick. That was fun. Nice and comfortable on the highway. Fantastic ride quality. You're not going to get jostled around in this. This is going to be a very comfortable car to live with on a daily basis. Nice visibility and sight lines. I like this frameless mirror. Audi's been rocking it with this formula for quite some time, and this 2018 S4 delivers the goods. Pretty impressive car in my opinion. I would be a little bit hard pressed to swing for this instead of an S3 with that sweet turbo 5-cylinder. But this turbo 6 doesn't sound bad either. There's some good cars out these days around this $50,000 price point, and it really it makes for some compelling options for sure. Really intuitive, easy to use cruise control system in this. You can skip 5-mile-an-hour increments by a double press of the cruise control stalk. Yeah. Daily driver status here in the S4. Can't really go wrong. I envy the guy who gets to daily drive one of these. They are pretty sweet. Ignition tube, you made a good choice. Alright guys, well, that's all I'm going to say on this S4 for now. Pretty good first impressions on this car. It is definitely enjoyable from the driver's seat. Can't really go wrong with these things. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in another one. Take care.